But here we have a herringbone with no border, and we have our wings on our herringbone diving into the wall at an angle. And as we discussed on the edger, I'll pull my little visual aid off first. I have this edger here, and it's going to be hooked up to a vacuum when I run it. I'm going to run it improperly relative to what we want to end up with, so I can identify and show the scratch patterns that the machine's creating. Yeah, so all my scratches are going like this. All right. If I look at this one, the first one I did where I did not cock the edger. I kept the edger parallel to the wall like you normally would on a straight wall. And all my scratches are like this, which are consistent because that's the way I ran the edger. And you can do this for anybody for yourself even, if you're not used to it, or anybody you're training. Put a visual aid on the front of the edger. And this visual aid is nothing but a piece of tape with straight lines on it. And that's a visual reminder while you're operating the machine to orient the machine while you're moving it on the floor with the scratch pattern in the direction of the wood fiber underneath the machine. I would want to rotate the machine on this wall line like that. If I do that, then my scratch pattern is going to be less visible. So for a few seconds, I'm going to go ahead and run that. That is clocked negative 45 degrees, and I want you to look at that as far as scratch pattern goes. That's 60 grit. That's 60 grit. And all it is just referencing how the machines are scratching the floor with the wood floor underneath it.